is just irrelevant. Just tell them pull up and you know, and we might slide on them. Baby girl, open your legs and let me slide right in. And I know you want it bad cause you could ride the wind. Hey, what's going on, guys? In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to change the RAM and how easy it is on a OMEN 30L. Let's get right to it. Alright guys, I went with the Vengeance Pro DDR4 2 times 16 gigabytes. So it's 2 sticks of 16 gigs. In total is 32 gigabytes. 3600 megahertz. This is what it currently look like when you take it out the package. So they look clean, they're nice, and they're RGB. You cannot go wrong with these at all. Alright, so let's get to the first step you need to do to change them. Alright, you need to take your cords out. If you don't take your cords out, you might blow up. I ain't gonna lie. So let's turn the light on real quick. Alright, we turn the light on. Boom. Let's take all the cords out. Taking the cords out, taking the cords out. Yeah, little struggles, you know what I'm saying? You can't, you feel me? Struggling a little bit. Taking the cords out. Still taking the cords out. We still taking the cords out. Take all the cords out so you can have access to everything. See that? Alright, here we go. Alright, so mine is you push the little button on the back. Lift it up. Boom. Just like that. And then we yeah, boom. Take it off. Nice glass. It's a little dusty. Don't make fun of my my PC in the comments. You know what I'm saying? Cause I haven't cleaned it. Alright. I currently have the HyperX's you feel me? Fuck up. The HyperX is in there right now. These are the standard that came with it. How they look. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Dusty. Alright. This is what it looked like with no sticks in there right now. You feel me? So we gonna get them in there. You gotta make sure you push them down till they click. If it don't click, you might have broke your shit. Alright. So like I said, push them down until you hear it click. You know what I'm saying? I don't want nothing happening to your shit. I don't want it blowing up, nothing. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't really know what can happen. Alright. So what we gonna do is put our case back on. You know what I'm saying? The glass. Don't break your glass. Because your mom might beat your ass. Alright. Alright, so we're going to stand it up and then we're going to power it on. You feel me? Watch these motherfuckers light up like the 4th of July. You cannot tell me these motherfuckers do not look clean. Look at them shits. It was only 170, bro. Now look at my 32 gigs right here. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Make sure y'all subscribe, hit the like button, and comment. And don't forget to turn that bell notifications on so y'all can know when I post, you feel me? Yeah, just let me know in the comment section what type of videos y'all like to see on this channel, you feel me? I could get real creative, you know what I'm saying? I got a nice setup. I could do gaming videos, I could do all types of shit, reactions, whatever y'all guys want to see. Just let me know in the comments, you feel me? Yeah, that's the end of the video. Enjoy. Just tell them pull up and you know, and we might slide on them. Baby girl, open your legs and let me slide right in. And I know you want it bad cause you could ride the wind.